Model, 2003 Volkswagen Transporter 2.5 TDI camper day van conversion needs clutch. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 172,895. Engine, 2461 cc e2GAM QDP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch concentric slave cylinder is leaking, so the clutch will need replacing. Straightforward job if you know what you're doing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, alloy wheels, wind-up windows, camper conversion. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.